Sunday evening. Weather terrorists are giving us some rain, as you can see. My drains can't handle the rain very good, but ducks seem to like it okay. Hey guys, what are you doing out here? You guys like the rain? Mess back here. I need to clean this up. Everything's floating away. You like that, Meridian boots? You having fun in the rain? At least my water drains all out the front, even with my rain. I just can't handle the rain right now. It's just been pouring. But anyways, as you can see, silly Meridian boots like it. I'm gonna take my flag down. I know. At least it's not touching the ground, so nobody give me a hard time about the flag. Desecrating the American flag. It's not touching the ground. Alright, that's it. I'm getting wet out here. Silly ducks. Need to clean it up back here, obviously. You guys gonna float away on the planks of the old fencing? Huh? You guys gonna swim away? Alright, that's it.